Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. So you guys, this is what we're doing. It had to come down. We had to get rid of Christmas. It was a great time. We were excited to have the kids home. Shamika was here. We did all of the things, but now we're getting all of our Christmas ornaments down. And of course, we had to have a little come to Jesus meeting so we could get our plan together. At first, we were all working together to get all of the ornaments down. However, there was a lot of us in one place. So Alana was like, okay, Mom, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to come over here and put all of the ornaments that go together in where they go. You and Jackson just sit them down wherever, in whichever pile they needed to be in. And of course, after we get started, here comes the diva of our life. That would be your internet niece, Shamika, and of course there she goes. Yep, she doesn't stay long. She comes in and comes out. But again, I'm trying to take off all 432 ornaments that are on this tree. Thank you so much to those of you who did send ornaments to us. We enjoyed having them, and they will go up on our tree every single year. Guys, we strung this tree with 1,000 lights. And that doesn't include the lights that were already pre-strung on it that didn't work. So Jackson and I ended up having to restring the tree because what we had going on was not working. And so, yeah, we did 1,000 lights. And here we are. We've got our 2 boxes over here. We have garland in one, and then we have all of our sentimental ornaments in one. And all of my glass pieces are in one. So yeah, Jackson was a little short, so he had to get on top of the stool to help get some of the ornaments down. And Alana is, of course, being my #1 helper and getting all of the ornaments in the bags. Shamika took the garland down from in the front in the dining room. And she did tell us that she left the lights on purposefully. She was not going to be taking those lights off. We were like, whatever, at least it's done. We'll just hang it back up next time. And she is taking all of the ornament. Oh, she was messing with me right then, trying to push me off that stool. And I told her her hair was too close to my hand to play that game. Because if I had fallen off that stool, I would have pulled her down with me. So we always have a pretty good time hanging out with each other. My kids are really fun, and we really do like being with one another. So now that I noticed that we had missed a few ornaments on the top of the tree, the very top of the tree. So Jackson had to stand in the windowsill to hand them to me because we couldn't get the stool back there. Now, one of the things about this tree is that the dry rot is very visible. We knew for sure that we are not going to be able to use this same tree next year. It is a 9-foot tree, and it's lovely. It fits in that space so well, but it shed like crazy. And here we are trying to get the lights off, and we're spinning the tree around trying to get all of the lights off, but we get stuck. And so the kids have to kind of try to help me figure out what goes with what, and we have ornaments attached to each other inside of the tree. And so here we are trying to get everything off. Now here's your internet niece. She's back, helping us out quite a little bit. Then we take short people like Jackson, and make him go inside the tree to help us find all the things that we cannot find. He's a good sport about it, though. He doesn't mind helping. And Shamika grabs out the vacuum cleaner. We actually had to do multiple vacuum cleaners because the tree sheds so much. She's getting her dance on, I guess. Ask me what she's doing. I can't tell you. Bothering my spirit, I'm sure, because we're trying to get this tree down, and she just keep asking questions and walking back and forth. And like I said, she jumps in every now and then and does a little helping. Jackson, no clue what he's doing, watching his show while he's trying to help. And Shamika's messing with him. Now he's going to be a taekwondo person and try to karate chop her in the head. But that's their relationship. It's what they do. They love each other and they live their best life. We had the hardest time getting those lights out, and ended up having to cut some of the stranded lights, not the ones we purchased this year. Now, you guys, I just want y'all to see this foolery. We are trying, do you see my face? We are trying our very best, level best, to get this vacuuming done. We had 2 vacuum cleaners out. It was so many pine needles, and this little girl wanted to play do-si-do, and I was not here for it. I really was not here for Shakema. She was doing a lot and bothering my entire spirit. But Jackson, again, a very, very good sport, helping mom do all the things. Alana is always a good sport. We really knocked this out in 30 minutes or less, 45 at the most. I did want to make sure that the floor was extra vacuumed, so we did use the 2 vacuums. We made sure to put up all the extra cords. Shakema and Alana went into the garage. They put up the 2 buckets of ornaments. We have really downsized over the years, so we don't have as much stuff as what we used to have. There was something stuck in the vacuum cleaner, and Jackson was helpful to help me get it out and get it unstuck. We did move the big oversized chair and the ottoman so that we could vacuum really, really good. All of our extra Christmas gifts that we have not given out yet, we put over by the cream colored armoire, just so that I know where they are. We will eventually end up putting the furniture back. That's me putting that big chair back. And so all of the Christmas gifts that we have not disseminated are behind that chair. And so, yeah, that's what we did. Honestly, we didn't take us long to get things done. Once we got a system down and got moving, and like I said, of course, we love hanging out with each other. It's always a good family activity to do things together. We enjoy our family. We enjoy one another. We enjoy working together, living in the house. They don't always like housework, but they are very good sports to help me do all of the things. So here we are now, just finishing up the very last few things. Shakema was going to stay at a friend's house, so I had her to take her bag to the door. She wanted to leave it just anywhere, and I'm like, no ma'am, put it at the door so that you're able to get it when it's time to go. But there it is, you guys, our clean up. We do want to thank you all so much for stopping by, hanging out. If you like the video, thumb it up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.